ser tu amor es tú y yo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero.
Hello my awesome people! Today we're gonna create 4 amazing looking low buns in a matter of seconds. So let's get started with our first one. We want to gather our hair into a low ponytail. On last time, make sure to pull a hair halfway through like I'm showing, grab the ends from underneath and then wrap it around it, crisscrossing them up and tuck it into the elastic underneath. Pull it a bit to make it nice looking. And you're done. For our second one, we want to again select our hair into kind of middle ponytail, but on last time make sure to pull your hair halfway through and leaving the ends on one side like that. Pull a little bit your created bun and then grab the ends, wrap them around itself one way and then twist them another way, creating a row braid and tuck it into the elastic underneath like that. I'll use one up and down bobby pin to fix my bun in place and I'm done. For our third hairstyle, we want to select our hair again into a middle ponytail, bring it up, use a claw clip. Now you want to grab your hair, twist each strand one way and then twist them around each other opposite way, creating a row braid. Pull it if you need that, if you have thin hair, and then you want to wrap it around your hair several times depending on how long your hair is, tying it into the claw clip, the ends to fix it well in place like that. Done! For our third hairstyle, we want to select our hair into a low ponytail and we want to use a scrunchie to tie it. Then we want to spread all our hair around this scrunchie and use a clear elastic to fix this bun, this construction of the bun in place. Then, grabbing the ends, you want to divide it into 2 sections and twist them and bring them up and tuck it into the elastic underneath. Now, again here, depends on how long your hair is. You want to wrap it several times or just halfway, like that. And you're done. Guys, I hope that you really enjoyed today's super easy hairstyles. If you do, don't forget about like, subscribe. But that's it for today. And you know, I love you so much and see you soon in my next hair tutorial. Mwah! Bye!